In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the YouTube anti-shorts filter in Brave browser. If you prefer a cleaner, distraction-free YouTube experience that highlights full-length videos over shorts, this quick walkthrough will help you set that up using Brave's built-in tools. No extensions required. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. At the top right corner of the window, you'll see the three-dot menu icon. This is where Brave keeps most of its app options and controls. Click that menu to open it, and from there, choose Settings. Think of Settings as your control center for everything from privacy to site behavior. Once you're inside Settings, look for the section called Brave Shields and Privacy. In some versions, it may simply be labeled Shields. Both will take you to the same place. Shields is Brave's integrated protection system that blocks trackers, ads, and other nuisances while you browse. And it also houses content filtering options that can customize what you see on certain sites. Within the Shields area, find and click Content Filtering. This page lists curated filter options that Brave can apply to websites. Unlike an extension, these filters are built right into the browser and are designed to be efficient and easy to switch on or off. Now scroll down until you see the filter labeled YouTube Anti-Shorts. This filter is specifically designed to hide YouTube Shorts elements so your homepage and recommendations and focus more on standard videos. When you find it, toggle the switch to the on position. You should see the toggle change state right away, and the filter becomes active immediately. If you already have YouTube open in a tab, give it a quick refresh to let the new filter take effect. You should notice fewer shorts entries showing up. If you don't see a change, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a moment, and availability can vary slightly, depending on your Brave version. If the option isn't visible, it may help to make sure your browser is up to date, but the setting usually appears under content filtering for most desktop users. The nice part is that this change isn't permanent. If you ever want to see shorts again, come back to the same content filtering page and toggle the YouTube anti-shorts filter off. Everything will return to normal. That's it. Open Brave, go to the three-dot menu, head into Settings, find Brave Shields and Privacy, choose Content Filtering, and turn on YouTube anti-shorts. Enjoy a more focused YouTube experience tailored to how you like to watch.